there, ladies and gents. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? We are in New Jersey somewhere. Welcome to Montague. We're in town of Montague, and I've been riding for a long time. Pretty tired. I need to go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom and tinkle the winkle, eat some food. Kind of just making my way down this cute little mountain. Adorable mountain. Look at this road. Route 23. Beautiful lake over here. Boat launch. Very nice. I'm gonna see if there is a little pullover, because unfortunately, once again, we're pulling up to Hawk's Nest. Just can't get away from that fucking freaking road. But it's okay. Not so bad after all. Cars are moving. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to turn on the video, show you this little section, this fun little spot. Just like a little pull off. Yep. It's a little bit windy around here, so it's not really exactly a cozy little pull off, but not bad. End up probably getting some Burger King as per tradition, which is totally fine. Butt is getting a little bit tired. I've been riding for a minute now. This bike is just such a fun handling machine. Can't get over how much I like it and how exciting it is to ride, to be honest. To be fully honest with you all. Fireworks over here, of course. You, what up, kids? What up, what up? Alright, Mickey D's. That works. I really gotta take a pee, so we're just gonna stop over here. Seems like a pretty busy Pretty busy little Mickey D's, I tell ya. There we go. Bill. And here we are. Gonna use the restroom, figure out the next move. Talk to you guys in a bit.